Okay, students, we will start the class. Yesterday we did how many questions? That is, we did 30 questions, right? So everyone completed homework. Any doubt in any question? Yes? No doubt? Okay. Should we do the next? That is from 31. Yes? Okay. So till 30 question we had to find the perimeter and then multiply. Okay. Now from 31 we have to find the areas. What we have to find? We have to find the areas. Okay. So here if you see, what is the question here? That is, how many tiles? You may have seen tiles in your room. So they the same thing. How many tiles? Each 24 centimeter long and 15 centimeter broad will be required to lay the path 18 meter long and 12 meter wide is the question. So there is one path, right? So there is one path that is 18 meter long and 12 meter wide. Okay, that is the breadth means breadth, right? Yes. There is a tile. The tile is smaller, that is in centimeter. It is in centimeter. So tile is smaller. Okay. So this is the path and this is the tile. Okay. Tile is smaller, that is 24 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Right. So how much? 24 centimeter long and 15 centimeter wide it is. Okay. So how many number of tiles means we have to find the areas and divide it. What you have to do? You have to find the areas and divide it here. So this is 24 centimeter you take. Okay, this is 15 centimeter. So number of tiles will be required. So we have to divide with the areas. What you have to do? We have to divide areas because you will lay the tiles like this, right? How many tiles will be required? So to find the number of tiles, we will divide the areas. Okay. So number of tiles. Okay. So number of tiles is equal to area of what? That is, which area you will write? That is path. That is the bigger one. Okay. Bigger one we have to write in the top. That is path area divided by tile area. Okay. So tile area. Here path is how much? 18 into 12. 18 into 12 meter it is. Okay. It is in meter, so we have to convert it into centimeter. So 18 meter means how many centimeter? 18 into 100, right? It will become centimeter. We know 1 meter means how much? 100 centimeter, right?
12,800 centimeter.
1 meter means 100 centimeter. So we have to make it here 18 into 100 centimeter. Okay. So now here it is how much? 12 into 100 centimeter, right? This is in meters. 12 into 100. That we have to take. We should not take 18. Okay. So 18 into 100 length and breadth. We know. We find the area by length into breadth, right? Yes. Length into breadth. So here 18 into 100 and 12 into 100 divided by will be how much? Yes, that will be the area here. Okay. So of the path, we got the area of the what? Path. Now let's find the area of the tile now. So that is, tile is smaller, that is 24 centimeter into 15 centimeter, right? 24 centimeter into 15 centimeter. Here tile is smaller, right? 15 centimeter tile. So now we have to cancel it out. We will get the answer, right? Let's do the cancellation. So how can we cancel it out? That is 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Okay. Next one more we can cancel, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18 here. Okay. Yes, we know cancellation, or you can multiply and then cancel it out. Okay. So after that what we have to do, we can cancel it out. 9 and 15 will come in which table? 3 table. Yes, they will come in 3 table here. So let me take any other color, that is
will take purple.
Okay, so 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 now. Now 3 and 5 is gone, right? And after that, okay, let's take black. So next is 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 how many is? 5 2s are 10. 0 as it is. We have to cancel it out. If you are not able to do like this, you can multiply and then do it. Okay, understand?
Sir, another 100 also, that's like will.
Yeah, so answer will be remaining, that is how much? So here 3 into 20 into 3 into 20 into 100 will be how much? 23s are 60. 23s are 60. 60 into 100 will be 6000. How many tiles will be required? 6000 tiles. How much? Option C. Understood? Easy. So we have to take the areas and divide it. So which is the bigger one? Bigger one is the path. So we have to write the bigger one first. That is the big one on the top and the smaller one below. Okay? Understood? Then divide it. Okay now? That is area we find by length into breadth. So length into breadth. Okay? Write it down. So see here now. That is 32 question. Leave it. It's not there. Okay? 32 question. It's not there. Leave it. Okay? Next 33. It is same as 31. Okay? Question same as 31. So it will be homework. Okay? Understand? So they have given how many blocks? Instead of tile, they have given blocks. Just take the blocks is 25 and 12, divide it with, okay, you will get the answer. Will you do homework?
2000.
Okay, fine. Okay, good. Next 34, right? So 34 is what? Here, which carpet is bigger? By how much they are telling? So one measuring 16 meter in length and 12.5 meter in breadth. First one. So first one is here. This is the blue one. First one. So length is 16 meter and breadth is how much? Here 12.5 meter. Length is 16 meter. Right? So here next another means second one. Second one measures 15 meter and length 13.8 meter. So another, the red one, that is length is how much? 15 meter. And then breadth is how much? Here breadth is 13.8 meter. So which one is bigger? Which one is bigger means we have to minus it, right? So first area, if you want to find, we find by length into breadth. So first is length is 16 and breadth is 12.5 meter. So if you multiply, you will get 200. Okay. Now second area, if you want to find length into breadth, that is 15 into 13.5. That is here, right? Second one, 15 into 13.5. So if you multiply, you will get 207. So which is bigger? Second one is bigger. Second one is bigger. By how much? 7 meter, right? That is 200 minus 7. If you do, you will get 207, right? So it is bigger by 7 meter. So answer will be how much? Second carpet bigger by 7 meter square. So they are telling which is bigger, right? So which is bigger? Second carpet is bigger, that is by 7 meter square. So option D is the answer. Okay. See here 35 question. Okay. If you see 35, what is the question? The number of squares on a board, game board, whose each side measure 8 centimeter. If the side of the square is 1 centimeter, they are telling. That is game board. You may have seen chess. There will be, it will be 8 by 8, right? There will be total how many? 64 will be there. So how many number of chess board? That is, to find that number of, you have to divide the area. You have to divide the area, right? Yes. So we know that bigger one, the bigger square, that is the board, is how much? Measure 8 centimeter. So side of the square is 8 centimeter. The smaller piece, that is the one box is how much? That is side 1 centimeter. Side is how much? 1 centimeter. So how do we find the area? Now to find the number of squares, we have to divide the area. What we have to do? Number of squares, we have to divide the areas, right? So square area, the bigger one, and the square area, the smaller one. Okay. So how do we find the square? We know side into side. So here bigger one is 8. So 8 into 8. Smaller one is 1 into 1. So it will be 8 8s are how much? 8 8s are 64 here, and 1 1s are 1. So 64 by 1 means 64 squares will be there. In the chessboard, if you see, there will be 64 squares, right? So that is just to divide the areas. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Students, see here 36 question. 36 question is easy. So how to do? That is, which of the following problems do you need to calculate perimeter? So we have to find where we have to calculate perimeter. So to find the depth of the water in canal, do we have to find the perimeter? Yes? No. Okay. So to find the quantity of water in the pool, water is how much in the pool? We don't need perimeter. Okay. No. So to find how much paint will be required to cover a wall. So if you want to paint the wall, what we have to find? Yes, tell me. You have to find the area. We have to find the area. Okay. So not the answer. So what will be the answer? Option D. That is to find the length of the track traced by an athlete running around the football field. I told you. So he will run on the what? Perimeter. That is the boundary. He will run on the boundary, right? He will run on the boundary here. Okay. He will run like this, right? So that is why we have to find the perimeter there. Okay. So answer will be option D. Easy. So now let's go to the next. That is what? 37 here. Perimeter of a square and area is equal. What? They are telling perimeter and area of square are equal. That is what? Perimeter and square area are equal. Okay. So then what will be the length of the side? We have to find it. Right? So length of the side. So square is there. Square perimeter will be how much? Yes. Perimeter how do we find? 4 into side. Right? That is equal to what? Area. Perimeter and area both are equal. Right? So perimeter we find by 4 into side, and area is there, right? So area how do we find? Side into side. Okay? Side into side. So each side will be 4 units because 4 4s are 16, and side is also side, area is also what? That is side into side. 4 4s are 16. Both answer will be same, right? Equal. So the answer will be option C here. Understood? Yes? Very easy. Okay? Write it down. So see here 38. 38 is easy. What? A rectangular park is 36 meter long and 28 meter broad. There is a rectangular park that is how much length? 36 meter length, and breadth is 28 meter. Okay. So find the cost of leveling the park at 450 rupees per square meter. Leveling the park. So where do we level the park? We level the ground, right? Full ground. That is inside. That is we have to find the area. So what you have to do? You have to find the area. Leveling cost, we do leveling in the ground. So that is the area. So to find the cost, we know what we have to do. We have to multiply rate and area. We are leveling the ground means that is the area. So rate into area. Cost will be rate into area. So rate is how much? That is 4.50 rupees per. Then you take the rate, and area how do we find? We find length into breadth. Length is given 36 meter and breadth is given 28 meter. So if you multiply 36 and 28, you will get the answer and you have to find it. Understand? Yes? Okay. Students, completed? Okay now. Should we go next question? So here next question is what? That is area of rectangle is given. How much? 8 and 2 by 3 square centimeter. So area and its length is given then we have to find its perimeter. Okay, so area is given how much, that is 8 and 2 by 3, and length is given, length is 5 and 7 by 9 centimeter, and perimeter we have to find, right, isn't it? So here how do we find the perimeter? Yes, so perimeter, to find the perimeter we need 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. So here length is given but breadth we don't know, but we have area, so we have to find the breadth first. So breadth first we have to find it. Okay, so how do we find the breadth? Any side, when area is given, area divided by length we have to do. So here area is how much, if you convert it into improper fraction, 8 3s are, we have to do 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2 how much, 26 divided by 3, right, 26 divided by 3. Now if you convert this into mixed fraction, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 7, yes, 52 divided by 9 it will be 9. So area is how much here, if you divide, that is 26 divided by 3, and whole divided by length divided by we have to do. Okay, so that is whole divided by length is 52 divided by 9. Okay,
Sir, we will do reciprocal.
we will do reciprocal and multiply. So this
Multiplication.
denominator is there, right? Denominator we have to take up and multiply. Yes, it will become 26 by 3 into 9 by 52. This will become reciprocal and multiply. Okay, so now we have to cancel it out. Which we can cancel? Cross cancellation. Yes, 26 ones are 26, 26 twos are 52. So 3 how many is 9? 3?
3 3s are.
So here 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So remaining is how much? Yes, 3 by
3 by 1 by 1, 3 by 2.
3 by 2. Now we have to find the perimeter, right? Yes, let's find the perimeter now. So how do you find the perimeter? 2 times length. 2 times length means length is how much? Here length we have 15 by 52 by 9, right? So 52 by 9 plus 2 times breadth. Breadth is how much? We just now got breadth, that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. So here actually this question will not come. Why? Because there is different denominator for you and they will not give, okay, addition. So leave it. If you know how to do, you do it, otherwise you can leave it. Okay, understand? So if you want to do the answer will be how much? Okay, here, so here 2 will cancel it out and 3 will be remaining, then it will be how much? So 2 into 52, 2 into 52 is how much? 104
3 ones are 3 9.
by 9 plus 3 will come. So this we can write it as 3 and 104 by 9, because we know it is a number. We know whole number means we can take it as mixed fraction. This is 3 is a whole number, we can take it as mixed fraction. So here 3 and 1 by 104 by 9 if you do, what will be the answer? 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 104 will be how much? Yes, that is 131 divided by 9. Okay, 131 divided by 9 means we have to write that into mixed fraction. So it will be answer how much? If you write in the mixed fraction, 9 ones are 9 and remaining will be 4. So 4 means 9, how much? That is 9 4s are 36. So it is 41. So 5 will be remaining divided by 9. 14 5 by 9. 14 5 by 9 option E. Okay. Okay. So it is fine. You don't do this. You don't write. It will not come. Okay. Fine. So here 40 question is important. See here. square, a square and rectangle have equal areas. If each side of the square is 18 centimeter and width if the rectangle is 12 centimeter, then find the length of the rectangle. So what they are telling, square and rectangle have equal area. So area is equal for what? Yes, rectangle and square, right? So equal rectangle and square. So how do you find the square and rectangle area? Rectangle we find length into breadth, and square how do you find? Side into side here. So here length square is side is 18. This is the side, okay? This is the side, and they have given rectangle width. Width means that is breadth they have given. Rectangle is 12. So we have to find the length. So length we have to find, keep it as it is. Breadth is how much? 12 is equal to side is how much here? Side they have given, square side is 18. So side into side means 18 into 18. Now we have to cancel it out. Then when you take this 12 that side, we have to separate length, because we have to find length, right? We have to separate length. So to separate length, that 12 we have to take to the other side. It will divide. So length will be how much? Length will be, that is 18 into 18 divided by 12. Now you cancel means you will get the answer. If you cancel, what will be the answer? Here we can cancel with 6. Yes, 6 how many is 12? Yes, if you divide with 6,
6 2s are 12.
6 2s are 12, 6 3s are
18.
Now divide with 2. 2 how many is? 2 1s are 2. 2 how many is? 2 9s are 18. So remaining is how much? 3 into 9. 3 into 9 means how much? 27 is the answer. That is option C. Option A, 27 centimeter. Okay na? Yes. So we have to do like this. And one more question I will explain. Wait here. So if you see a wall of a hall is in square shape. If each side measures 12 meter, find the cost of making the design on it at the rate of 5.5 square. We know. So wall is there. Where do we make the design? Design we make in the area. So design we make in the area. So to find the cost, how do we do? Tell me. To find the cost, we have to make, that is rate into area. Rate into area. So this is the square, right? This is the square. So side is how much? Side is 12 meter. So here side is 12 meter, right? So that is why side will be 12 meter, and then we have to find the area and multiply. That is rate is given as how much? 5.5 rupees. Rupees 5.5 into area is side into side. So you will do homework. Yes, that is side is 12 meter. You multiply and find the answer. That will be homework. Okay. Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good.